How to withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer account. After you open your Payoneer Binance like this, now go to trades. After you come to this trades, now go to combat. From this combat, now tap on this from to. So make sure now to convert your assets or your crypto to USDT. So go ahead now and select your coin that you have. Let's say now I want to transfer this one. So I want to transfer my coin from whatever coin it is, like BTC to USDT. Select this one and select USDT. So this USDT. So after you select USDT, now tap on the type in the amount you want to transfer. Let's say I will tap on this max. So if you tap on this preview, now it will allow you to convert your asset into USDT. After you finish converting your asset into USDT, all you have to do now, just go back to this. As you can see now, in this spot option, now scroll to down and scroll to left and go to P2P. So after you come to this P2P, go to sell button. In this sell button, now tap on this section and select USDT. Select the currency. Make sure to select USDT as the default currency. So select USDT. So from this option, now tap on this option and type and select filter. In this option, now select bank. So in this bank, go ahead now and type in this bank transfer and tap on this confirm. From this option, now tap on this amount. Type in the amount of USDT you want to withdraw or you want to sell to USD. Let's say I want to withdraw 100 USDT. Confirm. After you type in the amount of USDT you want to withdraw into your Payoneer account, so from this option you can be able now to see different people that will buy your USDT and send you USD into your Payoneer account. So from there, let's say now I want to use this person, or let's say I want to use this person. This person will pay me in just 60 minutes. So select this person. After you tap on the sell button, from there you see that, as you can see now, I will be able now to sell 100 on my USDT and receive USD. So if you scroll now to down, tap on this bank. So from this option now, go ahead now and tap on this add bank. So from this option now, go ahead now and copy your bank detail from your Payoneer account. So if you go back to your Payoneer account, just go ahead and tap on this request or like receive money. From there it will give you the payment method at your bank account. So go ahead now and fill in your bank account, bank name, and your IBN, your IBAN number. So after you finish adding all this information, tap on this confirm button. Now your bank will appear like this. So from there, all you have to do now, if you tap on this place order, now the person will go ahead and pay you into your Payoneer account within 60 minutes. After the person has paid you into your Payoneer account, this place order button, it will change to paid. So if you tap on this paid button, from there Binance will release the USDT to the person that paid you with USD into your Payoneer account. That's it guys on how to withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer.